The power of consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of bodybuilding success. It's not about having the perfect workout or diet plan. It's about showing up day after day and putting in the effort even when you don't feel like it. The real power lies in your commitment to stick with your program no matter what. Think of each workout as a brick in the foundation of your success. It's the small, consistent actions that build over time to create significant change. Every rep, every set, and every meal contribute to your overall progress. It's the consistent effort that leads to extraordinary results. Don't be discouraged by slow progress or occasional setbacks. Success is not a straight path. It's a series of small, consistent steps. It's about maintaining your focus and continue to work hard even when the results aren't immediately visible. Trust the process and let your consistency drive your progress. Embrace the day grind. Each day of sticking to your routine, each meal you prepare, and each workout you complete is a step toward your goal. The results you seek are not instant but are the cumulative effect of your unwavering commitment. Remember, greatness doesn't come from sporadic bursts of effort but from the steady, consistent work that you put in every day. Stay committed, stay focused, and let your consistency pave the way to success.